Hello. Today we will know how to use MQTT publish action in StatStream. First, we have to create MQTT publish action. For that, click on your workspace name to enter within your workspace. Go to Administration tab on top right corner, then go to Actions tab. Then click New Action button and choose the MQTT publish to create MQTT publish action. Enter suitable name like here pump on and description for the selected action. Then you have to set the MQTT topic on which you have to publish the message. Here we are setting pump_pub. Then write the message as per your choice. Here we set it as boolean1. Then click on Save button. Now to check whether the message is publishing successfully or not. We have subscribed to the same pump_pub topic in MQTTX. And when we trigger the pump on action, the message got published at the same MQTT topic in MQTTX. Also, you can create a widget with this action, from where you can directly trigger the action. Here, for example, we have created a pump on switch widget. Here you can see we have set pump on action in this widget. When you click on the on button, you can see the message got published on MQTTX. Thank you for watching the video.